The camshaft positioning sensor is located at the end of the cylinder head on the right side of the motor, just below the fuel lines. The sensor, red arrow, is held in place with a single T30 screw from below the cylinder head. Remove this screw. There is also a wiring connection, but it is much easier to remove the sensor out of the engine and then remove the wiring. Wiggle and pull the sensor down and out of the motor, red arrow. There may be a little oil on the sensor, but there should be no debris or metal. Shown here is the old sensor. Make sure that the old gasket came out with the sensor, yellow arrow. It is easier to unclip and remove the wiring harness, red arrow, now with the sensor out of the engine. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.